One of the most common questions we're asked at SatNav Warehouse when people are looking to buy a HGV SatNav is whether it will pick up industrial parts, because they're not traditionally adopted in the same way that public highways are. So the answer to the question is yes, and we're going to show you how to do it now. In the navigation menu, you want to look for these three options here: find by POI, find by nearest POI, and use a POI. The find by POI relates to things like restaurants, hotels, bars, your typical points of interest if you're maybe a tourist, for example, or you're looking for somewhere to eat. The find by nearest POI takes this into consideration, but based on your current location. So say you turn up in an unfamiliar city and you want to find a Chinese restaurant, as close to you as possible. The find by nearest POI is going to do that for you. What we're going to look at today are the truck-specific points of interest in the user POI. You can see here straight away, all these points of interest are tailored to truckers and people driving the wagons. So if you scroll down here, you can see there's a second page of industrial zones as well. You've got zones industrial in France, you have all the lay-bys and rest stops, but we're going to look at the industrial zones and parks in the UK. Okay, so we're going to use our current location to find the industrial park. Probably the nearest one to us, or the nearest large industrial park to us, is Trafford Park in Manchester. So if we find around our current position within 10 miles and click OK, straight away there's some smaller industrial parks that come up, but if we scroll down a bit further away, let's have a look. Yep, here you go. You can start to see Trafford Park come up here. So if we click on Trafford Park, what you can do is look at the map so you can pinpoint exactly where you want to go in Trafford Park. So you can see here there's always little icons that represent businesses. If you click on the map itself, it brings up the road name, and you can click continue, and off you go. Let's come out of that and show you another way. In the same menu, you can find by the name of the industrial parks. If you know the name of a particular park you want to go to, say Manor Park in Runcorn, for example, you tap that into the menu and it will find that for you. Or you can find around a different position. So let's say we're going to Birmingham in the UK, and we're going to go for Birmingham. There we go, in the West Midlands, and we'll set that. We don't have to enter a street name, but we'll set this as our destination, and this imaginary industrial park is within 10 miles of Birmingham, let's say, and here you go. It brings up all these retail parks, industrial parks here for you. So we'll book in the Birchhills Industrial Estate, click OK, and what it will do is it will confirm the HGV dimensions that you've entered in there. All the dimensions are saved in the menu, and you can choose from however many profiles you save in there. So we're going with truck 1 here, with a height of 10 metres, a length of 10 metres, a width of 10 feet, and it's just a normal delivery vehicle. So if we click calculate, it's a very quick calculation because it's not too far from here. And there's the review of your journey. What you can do is tap on the map, and that will show you the exact route it's taking, so you can just make sure you know where you're going. You can opt to go the shortest time, which is the fastest roads, the shortest distance, which will be as the crow flies, avoid the toll roads and avoid the motorways, or you can navigate via or avoiding specific locations. So assuming that's all okay, we'd click go normally, but obviously we're not moving, so we'll click simulation, and this is how it will look as you set off.
Now turn left.
And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call on 0800 321 3617, or visit the website www.satnavwarehouse.com for more information or to buy. We do have quite a few offers on at the moment on the Truckmate range, and we guarantee that our Truckmates are as up to date as you'll find on the market. Thank you.